How to add phone number on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to One to Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can add phone number on OnlyFans. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com. Then press enter to search it. Once you reach to this page, here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will enter to this page. Here at the left side, you will find various options. Click on My Profile option from the left side and you will be taken to your profile page. Here click on Edit Profile and this window will appear here. From here click on Account option and then you will be presented with your account information where you will find your username, email and also the phone number. Click on this phone number option and now here you can add your phone number. Click on it and enter your phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code here. After entering the phone number, here you can see Save option just below the box. Click on the Save, wait for a while and now you will need to enter your code here. To get the code, you will need to click on this Send Code to My Email option. Then check your email to get the code. Once you get the email, go to the email and there you will find the code. Copy the code and come back to this page. Here paste that code and click on this Confirm button. Now you will get a code on your phone number. Wait for that code and once you get it, enter it in this box. Then finally click on this Verify option below and after a while, you will see you have successfully added your phone number on your OnlyFans account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.